What's up, guys? This is the Internet Income Ninja coming to you at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on December 9th, 2021. This video is about a user experience writer at an amazing social media company called JellySmack. And they're looking for a UX writer to work full time internationally. Um, and at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, this lead was posted 5 hours ago, and you are able to work remotely from any country in the world. Amazing. Now they have offices in New York, USA, and some other places around the world. It's in the tech and data sector, and it is a contract position. Now they're on the lookout for a contract UX writer to join a newly formed crypto product team. In this role, you'll help build and evolve Jellymint. Wow. So Jelly Smack is going into NFTs. All right. And you will help their creators in the creation of an NFT called Jelly Mint. So you're going to be minting Jelly Smack NFTs. All right. So you'll help build and evolve Jelly Mint, our creators' NFT marketplace. Come help us tell our story, build features, and make our marketplace experience sing. If you've got a heart for creator and businesses, a pioneering spirit for testing and learning, and a hunger to dig into UX and interaction design, you could be just the person for the job. So, what you'll be responsible for: you'll write the words and craft the experiences that go into the Jelly Smack products, starting with Jellymint to grow our business. Lots and lots of experimentation and jumping into nitty gritty details. Create and maintain Jelly Smack's voice and tone in our creator products, tools, and feature onboarding. Emails, notifications. Tune in to research, which are industry quantitative and qualitative, to learn about what Jelly Smackers, creators, and businesses truly need. Bring their human voices into product experiences. Now, requirements: 2+ years in UI, user interface, or UX, user experience writing, content strategy or information architecture, or time working in marketing, communications, or technical writing to make the complex feel clear. Ability to revel in the micro copy weeds and consider the big picture of branding and product positioning and system strategy. Visual thinker who can visually communicate their recommendations by jumping headfirst into Figma and other tools, and practiced persuaders who back up their recommendations with sound reasoning and represent their thinking with conviction. Experience or itching desire to match wits with engineers, product managers, designers, and other deeply smart, opinionated people, and at times leading without authority because it needs to get done. You're interested in that? That sounds like you. Do this. Um, press this button. Press this button to apply. Upload your information, and if, by the way, if you have issues creating a cover letter or resume or anything like that, there are templates in the description below. These templates um, are on a website called Canva. Canva is free. You just sign up, have access to these templates, fill in your information, download the information, upload it to your application, and that's it. That's it. So, guys, let me know what you think of this lead. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know where you're watching from. This is the Internet Income Ninja. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that notification bell, like, comment, and share. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.